Hi there. Today I'm going to demonstrate a new coding agent for the cTrader trading platform called Xen AI. It has been designed specifically to build cTrader indicators, automated trading strategies, trading panels, dashboards, and plugins in just a few minutes. Unlike general AI tools such as ChatGPT, it's been trained using thousands of real cTrader code examples. It also uses many of the most advanced AI tools available today. This means you no longer need to pay for a developer hundreds of pounds to create your custom trading tools. This coding agent can create and refine them for a fraction of the cost. It has also been designed for both experienced programmers and traders with no coding experience. This means that it's open up to anybody now to create trading tools using workflows powered by AI. I'll now quickly go through the application and just show you the various features. On the left-hand side, you've got various AI models you can choose from DeepSeek, Mistral, ChatGPT Mini, Claude Haiku, and Sonnet at the bottom. Now, we put the latest AI model as soon as they're released. So as soon as one comes out, say ChatGPT brings out a new AI model, we put it in here. So you're always using the latest models. As you're building an indicator or a robot, you can actually switch between models depending on what you're doing. So each model works differently. We'll cover another video later on explaining how that works. Down here, you've got various links to look at what, the account details, updates that we're doing, AI status. You can go to light mode. So if you're not happy with the dark mode, you can also look at the light mode as well. At the top here, we've got projects. Now you can save projects. So as you're building a, say, automated trading system, you can save it as you go along. You can have multiple builds. So market dashboards, see, we've created that previously, and you can just reopen it up and carry on working on it from there and then save that one later on. So it's a very good workflow system where you can actually build applications, and as you're building it and adding more features, you can save it and come back to it later. At the same time, you can verify the build that it would build with cTrader, and you can actually download the algo file that will automatically load into cTrader as well, so you can start using it. So you don't need to be a coder to do this. So you don't really need to know what it's doing. You can just build it and tell it what you want to do. So you've got fixed build errors. So say you're a developer or a non-developer and you've got a lot of bugs in your code, you can actually just plonk the code in here and you can do auto fix or single step fix, and it will step through iteratively and go through until all the bugs are fixed, and then it creates the algo file. And then on the right-hand side, you've just got your how much credit you've got left, top up. You can top up with £1. £1 should give you something like, I don't know, 50 indicators that you can do for that. So you get a lot of building for that amount. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and actually give you a demonstration of building something like a Bollinger Band trading robot with a trailing stop loss. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration how to build an automated trading robot. I'm going to go ahead and build a Bollinger Band trading robot with a trailing stop loss. I'll add a trailing stop loss to it. And what we're also going to do is verify the build afterwards to make sure it would build in cTrader. So we can then just download it straight to cTrader. So I'm going to say build Bollinger Band trading robot with, okay, build a Bollinger Band trading robot with a trading stop loss. So that goes ahead and looks in our code examples that we've currently got and all the API documentation. And this will make sure that the code that's returned is bug-free. So it won't hallucinate like a lot of AI models out there, because it doesn't have the most up-to-date API knowledge. So it comes back with garbage, really. So the whole idea behind this tool is that when you use it to build anything, it's more accurate. And even if there are bugs that you might get bugs, there's integrated tools that will fix the bugs for you really fast. And we'll do a separate video later and I'll explain that. So that's gone ahead and built a Bollinger Band trading robot with a trading stop loss. And it cost a total of 0.005 pence. I can then go ahead and verify build. That's going to build using the cTrader compiler. So that's going to check if it actually builds. If it builds okay, that means it's got no bugs. We can then say download algo. There's your algo file. If I click on there, that will open up into cTrader, and cTrader's here, and we can start the cBot, and that's going to be started here. An instance has been started. So there's your robot there, and it's been started, and these are the parameters that you can set. So your trading stop loss, volume, and all the rest of it. You can add stop loss and take profit as well. Okay, that's not quite in the window there, is it? There it is. So yeah, it adds the cBot straight into cTrader, so you can start using it straight away. So the whole idea is this tool will allow you to actually build algorithms, build them, and deploy them straight to cTrader without having to do anything. It's a totally integrated tool. Okay, the next feature I would like to demonstrate is how to convert an indicator from something like MT4 TradingView PineScript into a cTrader format. To do this, we click on the Convert Indicator task. That'll go ahead and ask you to upload the file that you would like to convert. I'm going to go ahead and upload the file. I'll do that bulls, bears, eyes. You can see there it's NQL code, click send. Now this is going to go ahead and convert the indicator to cTrader. Because it takes a bit of time, it's going to pause the video while it's doing it. Actually, I'll leave it running a little bit. But this is going a bit slow because I'm using DeepSeek. It's one of the most cheapest models. If you were to use something like Claude Sonnet or ChatGPT 5.2 or 3, it runs much faster. But this will go ahead and actually do it. But I'll be sat here watching it going out. So I'm just going to pause it and wait for it to finish so you don't sit there and watch the code being generated. Okay, it's just finishing now. Didn't run that long, really. Okay, it gives you an overview of what was changed and what it's done as it built it. Cost 0.008 pence just to do the conversion. So what we're going to do now is verify the build to make sure there's no bugs. We click on verify build. And we can see there's a couple of bugs in there. So it's got compilation errors. Now there's a few things. You go into the fix build here. This is a dedicated debug window that does automated bug fixing. So if, for example, you clicked fix bugs, then there was other bugs, you click fix bugs. This thing will fix everything in one go. Just click one button, it fixes multiple bugs. It keeps recompiling it until it produces the algo file. But I'll demonstrate that later. But what I'll do for now is I'll just fix the errors. I'll go ahead and fix the errors here. Again, that's going to pump out the code. I won't bore you with the code coming out. I'm just going to pause it again. Okay, so that's finished. It actually tells you what changes were made. So it changed the indicators, ball power periods for periods. So it's actually what was incorrect was the construction of the indicator here by putting the periods plus the moving average type. It missed that out. So I'll do verify build again. It's built okay. Download the algo. Click on the algo. That'll open up cTrader. And that'll put the indicator in there. There it is here. We've got RSI. That's my old indicator we did previously. So there it goes. That's your indicator there. These are the parameters for the indicator. So as you can see, it's very simple to convert indicators. And the total cost to build this indicator was 0.008 pence, 0.006 pence. So literally just over 1 pence to actually convert this indicator from MT4 to cTrader. So I hope you can see the power of actually what you can do now using this tool to convert indicators, create trading algorithms, and all the rest. Okay, so this was just a brief overview showing you the features of the application. I'm going to create additional videos. Each video is going to cover each different area of the tool so that if you want to learn how to build dashboards, how to use the AI models, anything really that you want to learn how to do like debugging, bug fixing, how to create. So the whole idea is that we're going to do educational tutorials to educate an average person of how to use AI to build trading tools. So this has a workflow system. So it's a step-by-step workflow system with our video tutorials. This will allow anybody, literally with no coding experience, how to build an indicator, where to get the idea from for the indicator, how to build an automated trading system, what you can do to actually build it, how do you deploy it, how do you backtest it, and all the rest of it. We're going to have all educational videos of how to use AI to do all of that. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. And that's about it, really. Thanks very much. And at the bottom of the video, you should have a link to access the tool if you do want to start using it. Thank you.